क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 पर आते हैं दोस्तों। तो among the following crop, which one the most important anthropogenic source of both methane and nitrous oxide? Methane is called as the Mars gas, and extensive methane production happens from the paddy fields. So answer is rice. In rice there is nitrous oxide production as well. Now come to the next question. System of rice intensification. It's a very common question. I think in almost all test series this was discussed. It was extensively in newspaper. So system of rice intensification of cultivation in which alternative wetting and drying of rice field is practiced result in reduced seed requirement. Yes, because उसमें स्पेसिंग देते हैं, रिड्यूस मीथेन प्रोडक्शन यस, बिकॉज वहां पे वेट एरिया होगा, वो वेट एरिया होगा, वो पूरे सीजन में नहीं होगा, अल्टरनेटिव होगा। रिड्यूस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंजम्पशन यस, आपको वाटर की कम जरूरत है तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंजम्पशन भी कम होगा। तो ये 3 2 1 ऑल इज करेक्ट। सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी। नाउ कम टू 23। in 23 which one of following lake of the West Africa has become dry and turned into desert? This was very well discussed in newspaper, and the answer is in Mali and the lake Fagibin, right? Lake Victoria is not even in West Africa, that is in East Africa. So the here correct answer is, this is factual question of general awareness, is the lake Fagubin. It's a French word, its pronunciation is little different. Yeah. Gandikota Canyon in South India was created by which one of the following river? The answer is Pennar. Very often it is called the Great Canyon of America. Their equivalent in India is Gandikota Canyon. That is, it's the Pennar river that cut through and make that canyon. Now come to question 25. So the peak and mountains we have to match. We know that Namcha Barwa is in Ladakh, right? So one is incorrect. Now come to the Nanda Devi. So Nanda Devi is in Kumaon Himalaya, Garhwal Himalaya. So it is correct. Nokrek. Nokrek is the national park also, and that is in Meghalaya, Garo Khasi Hill. So Nokrek is not Sikkim Himalaya. So option 2 correct only. See, the term Levant we first time heard, it is associated with Islamic State, right? So the option is region along Eastern Mediterranean shore, it's look correct. Eastern Mediterranean region along North Africa, no. Region along Persian Gulf and Horn of Africa, no. The entire coastal area of Mediterranean Sea, whenever the term entire coastal area come, it become huge. So does it include entire that region also? So the Turkey and the Greece and the Italy, and it become huge area, including North Africa also. So that is the correct. So that is incorrect. So this is incorrect. This is incorrect. This is incorrect. So the correct answer is the region along Eastern Mediterranean shore. Now come to the 27. Consider the following country: Azerbaijan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan. Which of the above have border with Afghanistan? So why Azerbaijan will border Afghanistan? Azerbaijan, where it's the Caspian Sea, across the Caspian Sea from these Iranian peninsula. So Azerbaijan, wherever there is one, you have to remove it. So this remove, this remove, this remove. Correct option is C. So Afghanistan border with 3, 4, 5. Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan. Tajikistan is very close connection with Afghanistan. You know that the Tajik community, Ahmad Shah Massoud, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Tapi pipeline, and then Uzbekistan is also correct, right? So this question is easily decipherable. Remember, what we are doing is we are using elimination method, because that is only method we can easily reach to all these answer. Now come to 28. With reference to India, consider the following statement. Monazite is a source of rare earth. Yes, it is. Right? Monazite contains thorium. Yes, it does. Monazite occur naturally in entire Indian coastal sand in India. Are na baba, in entire Indian coastal sand. I mean, what you mean say it? I mean, even Lakshadweep, Andaman Island. I mean, where and where not? India have huge coastline and there are lots of island. Island also make that coastline. Okay, so that is C is totally correct. Incorrect. Sorry. In India, government body only can process or export monazite because it is radioactive. So the option is 1, 2, 4. That is here D. Now come to 29. In the northern hemisphere, longest day of year normally occurring. It's a very interesting question. Geographica. So what is the answer? It occur in June. When? Second half. Why? Because it is 21st of June. Right? Why in July there will be extreme hot? No. So I mistakenly marked July. It is the second half of month of June. This is wrong. Why there will in July? June you could have confused, but then why it been the I mean the first half? It is the second half of June is the most difficult period, right? Now come to the wetland. Hokera wetland and their location. It's not in Punjab, it's in Jammu Kashmir. Renuka wetland, yes, it is in Himachal Pradesh. And then the Rudra Sagar Lake, that is in Tripura. Yes, we read, the list of wetlands, Ramsar sites where it is all mentioned. And Sastham Kota, that is not in Tamil Nadu, that is in Kerala. So how many pair above are correctly matched? The answer is 2 pair, right? Consider the following: Arogya Setu, Cowin, DigiLocker, Diksha. Which one of the following built on the top of open source digital platform? Means anyone which is the app based services, they are on the top, over the top open source digital platform. So Arogya Setu, there is a app. Cowin, I don't have seen Cowin app. DigiLocker, yes, it is app. Diksha, yes, it is app. So the Cowin is not the app. So Cowin ko hata do, that is do ko hata do. If you remove 2, you find the C, that is 134 is the correct answer. So option C. With reference to Wave 3.0, consider following statement. Wave 3.0 technology enable people to control their own data. Yes, to certain extent, so it is true. Wave 3.0 world, there can be blockchain based social network. Yes, that is the main, one of the most important component of the Web 3.0. The 3.0 is operated by user collectively rather than a corporation. Yes, because the concept is decentralization. So all three are correct. Option D, science question very often all are correct, but though not necessarily. Now come to the software as a service, SaaS. Consider the following statement. SaaS buyer can customize their user interface and can change their data field. Yes, SaaS क्या होता है? Software on a service. So what is the software? Google is software, right? Gmail is software. Your all apps are the software. In many apps you can customize lots of things. So it is correct. SaaS user can access their data through their mobile device. Yes, लैपटॉप से कर सकते हो, आईपैड से कर सकते हो, फोन से कर सकते हो. Outlook, Hotmail, Yahoo Mail are forms of SaaS. SaaS. Yes, it is true. All are true. So once again, the science and technology questions all are true becoming. So D, 1, 2, 3. Which one of following statement best reflect the idea behind functional orbital bombardment system often talked in media? In the recent war with Russia and Ukraine, fractional orbital bombardment system ये कुछ नहीं है, ये एक तरीके का मिसाइल है जो कि पहले स्टेबल ऑर्बिट में जाता है, इसके बाद ये रीट्रेस करता हुआ टारगेट को हिट करता है. तो हाइपर लॉन्च इनटू स्पेस, नो, ये स्पेस में नहीं जाता है, राइट? एंड स्पेस क्राफ्ट तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. मिसाइल पुट इनटू स्टेबल अर्थ और स्टेबल ऑर्बिट. यस, स्पेस क्राफ्ट नो, ये नहीं है. तो इसका सी होगा क्योंकि हम मिसाइल एंड स्टेबल ऑर्बिट है. ये बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. सारे जितने भी कोचिंग के मटेरियल्स हैं साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी के, उसमें ये मिल जाएगा. ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट वन. नाउ कम टू 35. Qubit. In this which context qubit is mentioned? Everybody know qubit is the basic unit of the quantum computing. इसमें कुछ सोचना नहीं है. Quantum computing is correct. Consider the following communication technology. Closed circuit television. Yes, very true. Radio frequency identification, RFID, wireless local area network. Which of the following are short range device or technology? अरे क्लोज सर्किट क्या मतलब होता है? शॉर्ट रेंज ही होगा ना. रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी तो बहुत शॉर्ट रेंज होता है. आरएफआईडी टैग जो आप अपनी गाड़ी में भी लगा होता है, हमारा फास्टैग भी तो आरएफआईडी है. वायरलेस लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क, ये सब कॉलेज वॉलेज में लेन वायर लगे होते हैं, ये तो बिल्कुल लोकल ही होता है. तो ये शॉर्ट रेंज डिवाइसेस है, राइट. ये लॉन्ग रेंज नहीं है. लेन वायर से ऐसा नहीं होता कि इंडिया से अभी दिल्ली से लेकर के मुंबई में आप कुछ कम्युनिकेट कर दोगे. तो ये ऑल करेक्ट है, इसका होगा डी. नाउ कम टू द 37. बायोफिल्म कैन फॉर्म ऑन मेडिकल इम्प्लांट विद इन ह्यूमन टिश्यू. यस, can. If bacteria get lodged over that medical implant, for example the pacemaker, biofilm can be formed by bacteria. Biofilm can form on food and food processing surfaces, definitely, if bacteria get lodged over. Biofilm can exhibit antibiotic resistance. बिल्कुल करेगा. जहां पे बैक्टीरिया जमा हो रहा है, obviously it will offer antibiotic resistance. So now A1 2 3 साइंस में फिर देख रहे हो कि सभी करेक्ट हो रहे हैं. हमेशा नहीं होता, लेकिन अभी वो लॉजिक चल रहा है. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इन रेस्पेक्ट टू प्रोबायोटिक. देखो प्रोबायोटिक पे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है. प्रोबायोटिक कब से लोग पढ़ रहे हैं? प्रोबायोटिक आर मेड अप ऑफ बोथ बैक्टीरिया एंड यीस्ट. यस, आप कोई भी प्रोबायोटिक का टैबलेट देखेंगे तो उसमें बैक्टीरिया यीस्ट दोनों होता है. The organism of probiotic are found in food we ingest, but they do not naturally occur in our gut. अरे नहीं बाबा, they do naturally occur in our gut. लेकिन देते तब हैं when डिसबैलेंस हो जाता है हमारे गट में, because we take antibiotic or we take some food which harm our bacteria. So probiotic help in digestion of milk sugar. Yes, what is milk sugar? Lactose. And the probiotic help in digestion of milk sugar, right? So the option is 1 and 3, that is C. Now 39. The context of vaccine manufactured prevent COVID-19 pandemic. Consider the following statement. Serum Institute of India produced COVID-19 vaccine Covishield using mRNA platform. No. Covishield is not mRNA platform. That is based on adenovirus vector. Sputnik V vaccine is manufactured using vector based. Yes, it is. Covaxin has inactivated pathogen based vaccine. Yes, right. So it is 2 and 3. देखो कोविड से इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन आया, right? Now come to the 40. If a major solar storm reaches Earth, which of the following are the possible effect on Earth? That is, the GPS navigation system could fail, definitely. Tsunami could occur at equatorial region. अरे नहीं, सुनामी कैसे आ जाएगा यार, वो भी इक्वेटोरियल रीजन में. Power grid could be damaged. Yes. Intense auroras could occur over much of the earth. Yes, it can occur. Forest fire could take place over much of the planet. Forest fire much of the planet, कुछ एरिया में होगा फॉरेस्ट फायर. मच ऑफ द क्या, आई मीन वो सारे टैगा और पोलर रीजन, वहां पे भी तो नहीं होगा ना फॉरेस्ट फायर. आई मीन पोलर रीजन पे तो फॉरेस्ट ऐसा होता नहीं है, लेकिन जो टैगा वाला रीजन है, बोरियल फॉरेस्ट कहते हैं, वहां पे फॉरेस्ट फायर क्यों होगा, राइट. और ये आयुरोरा इसलिए होगा कि वो चार्ज पार्टिकल होते हैं अर्थ के मैग्नेटिक फील्ड से, वो साउथ नॉर्थ पोल की तरफ भागते हैं, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वो इंटरेस्टिंग ग्रीन लाइट आती है. ऑर्बिट ऑफ सैटेलाइट कुड बी डिस्टर्ब. यस. शॉर्ट वेव रेडियो कम्युनिकेशन एट फ्लाइंग पोलर रीजन कुड बी इंटरप्टेड. यस, इट कैन हैपन. सो क्या क्या नहीं होगा? 2 और 5 को छोड़ना है, तो 2 और 5 को छोड़ो, तो 1 3 4 6 7 ओनली, दैट इज सी. तो हो गया ये. अब हो गया 40 तक. अब बनाऊंगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो 41 से.